Well, good muggy afternoon. We're playing around with Ol Cledus, as the title says. Safety upgrade for the old T-Ruck. Let me show you what we're into. Seat belts, lap belts. I got the holes all drilled up. And there's another one over there, another one on the far side. Everything's bolted together, just needs to be put in the truck. So a little prep work. This will be between the driver and the middle passenger seat. This little L bracket comes with the kit. Big flat washers go underneath. Bam, like that. I got the seat slid forward right now, so. Before we go that way, did you notice there's a little recess on this side the seatbelt's going to sit in? Little notched out area right here. If we come over here to the passenger side, they don't have that. I don't know why. It's all angled. So what I wound up doing is kind of hammering on that bracket. Get her so she'll sit a little bit nicer. Get the angle right. So, yeah. Next shot should be us bolting these things in. Next, so this goes to the passenger side, and this is for the center. Everything up through, get in the way. Through. Now I have to slide. Oh, I hope that's gonna fit. Crap, I didn't think of that. I've got this hump right here. Okay, I have to slide the seat back. I'm gonna move you all to the other side. What do we got underneath here? Oh yeah, that's gonna work beautifully. Beautiful. Gonna have to go get the center trim piece for this hole. I'll show you later, but finish this installation off. The seat didn't have one, so it either disappeared or somebody snagged it, but we'll have to keep our eyes out at the junkyard for one. Okay. So Boom, bolt flat washer. Like that. Blue's not too far off, but and then we got the big washer and a lock washer, and then the nut. Fairly long bolts. That should be good enough. We can make adjustments as we see fit. Just brief down on them. Ta-da! Sweet. Okie then. Let's see here. Bolt, flat washer, big washer, lock washer, and a nut. So we can actually put the seat back. Get our angle. So this one's going to have a little tension on it, but it should be okay once we bolt it in, because this isn't perfectly straight back here. There's a recess. So. And I could put a couple of washers underneath there. Space that out a little bit. That should be fine. So, big washer, lock washer, and the nut. Run her down by hand as far as we can. Get our angle set. Oh, can I get my wrench in here and hold this though? We'll find out. Once the lock washer engages, it should take the tension off the head here. I don't know what's going on, but it doesn't feel. Oh, we got the frame right there. Take our extension out. Ooh, just barely fits. Uh-oh, cops are coming for us. Safety inspection. Okay, giving tension. I do declare this job done. D-U-N, done. And get you off the tripod there and we'll take a quick look, see what we got. Alrighty, there we are. Look at that. Huh? So you can kind of get that GM style star. Yeah, I said that blue even was pretty good at that seat. And the other side, where is there's the buckle. So they do have a little bit of a twist to them, but otherwise they'd be laying upside down. So I twisted the straps, and that should be fine. Look at the dust coming out of that. So let's get my air dryer out of the way there. The rest of the truck's a mess, but I'm gonna set y'all up here for just a brief second. Oh yeah, and they lock too. Sweet. See, wearing my seatbelt. Right on. Ol Cledus is coming right along for safety-wise. Something he's never had before. Of course, the rest of the truck's so rusty, who knows how long it'll get in an accident. This thing will just disintegrate around you. You'll just be sitting here on the seat holding the steering wheel, just scooting down the road. So, alrighty. I think that's going to do it for this one. Thanks for following along. We'll take a couple of pictures and we are done with this job. So until next time, y'all be good. Bye-bye.